Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Speech on Hindi Divas or Speech on Hindi Day in 550 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Speech on Hindi Divas or Speech on Hindi Day. Welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Sir, teacher and my dear friends. First of all, Happy Hindi Divas to all of you. As we all have gathered here today to celebrate Hindi Divas, and on the occasion of this great Hindi Divas, I am present in front of you all with few lines about the importance of Hindi language and its history. I hope you like this speech of mine. Today is 14th September and every year we Indians celebrate this day as Hindi Divas. Because on this day, on 14 September 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India declared Hindi as the official language. After the declaration of Hindi as the official language of India, on the request of Rashtra Bhasha Prachar Samiti, every year 14 September is celebrated as Hindi Divas all over India since 1953. Rashtra Bhasha Prachar Samiti is located in Wardha, Maharashtra. The Hindi language did not get the status of the official language of India easily. For this, the people of India had to struggle for a long time. Rajendra Singh, along with other literature like Hazari Prasad Dwivedi, Maithili Saran Gupta, Kaka Kalekar, Seth Govind Das had made a lot of effort to make Hindi the official language, after which Hindi language was recognized as the official language. In the year 1918, Mahatma Gandhi had also asked to make Hindi the official language in the Hindi Sahitya Sammelan. Mahatma Gandhi had also called Hindi language as the language of the people, which after many years was successful in making Hindi the official language of India after the tireless efforts of all. We will never forget his contribution. We are proud of them. Hindi Divas and Hindi language have great importance for all of us Indians. The sole purpose of celebrating Hindi Divas is to give importance to Hindi language, the official language of India. Therefore, Hindi department had been created in every office of India, so that Hindi language should be made accessible to the people. This was done so that people could understand the importance of Hindi language. In today's time, Indians are more inclined to learn English language, but we Indians should never forget that Hindi is our official language. We should never forget our language, culture, because this is our India identity. Hindi language has always united India. We should learn English language or any other language, but we should never forget Hindi language, the official language of our country. Unless the people of India themselves will not use Hindi language completely, then Hindi language cannot develop. Therefore, Hindi Divas is celebrated only to tell about the importance of Hindi language. It is necessary to do this for the development of Hindi language and to save this Hindi language from extinction. Any country is identified by its mother tongue. Hindi is our official language and we should always use our language as much as possible. We should feel proud while using Hindi language. Let us all take a pledge on this day that we will make every effort for the development of our official language, Hindi, and use Hindi language as much as possible. We all should respect the slogan, Hindi hai hum watan hai. Wishing you all a very happy Hindi Divas once again. Many thanks to all of you for being a part of this occasion and listening to me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.